Let us now do this module together. How do you say the word sheep in Arabic? There are several words for it, but one of them is غنم. So the word sheep in Arabic means غنم, and this is how it is written in Arabic. Say it again. Sheep means غنم. Now let us do another one. How do you say the word duck in Arabic? The word duck in Arabic means battah. Battah. So the word duck means battah, and this is how it is written. How do you say the word goose in Arabic? The word goose means wizzah. Wizzah, and this is how it is written. So we have here three words. Sheep means ghanam. We have the word duck, which means batta. We have the word goose, which means wizzah.